When you're looking for a quality disability service provider, there are many things you want to know and questions you may have, including, can they care for you or your loved one in a compassionate way? Is there proper staff available? What medical professionals are available at hand? Are background checks done on support workers? At Top End Allied Health, we have provided hundreds of participants with quality care for many years and maintain the highest integrity in our staff, facilities, and personal care workers. Whether you're looking for in-home supports, supported independent living, short-term to medium-term supported accommodation, drop-in supports, community access supports, we are NDIS registered service provider and work with other service providers to provide the best quality services. Call us today for a visit or to set an appointment. Eliminate your worries. Give us a call. We're here to answer all your questions.